Okay. By 1 plus tan 45 how much?
1, sir.
1 square.
Yes, sir.
2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. 2 gets cancelled. You will get 1 by root 3, right?
Sir.
So in the options you check. Options first option
T
sin 60. What is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2.
root
Cos 60.
3 by 2.
Sin 60 is how much?
Root 3 by 2. Cos
Yes.
60 1 by 2, sir.
Yes. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3.
1 by root 3.
Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So our answer is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So therefore our answer is tan 30.
Yes, sir. Sir, sir,
Ah,
sir, in this bit only second one I got 0, sir.
yes, 0.
0 by 2 equal to 0.
Yes, 0 by 2 is 0. Answer is D.
Yes, sir. Correct only good.
Next, third one.
Doing, sir.
Okay, do.
Completed, sir.
Question number 2 is completed.
No,
Question
sir.
number 2. Do that now. Question number 2, 3. Do it now.
Tan square means what value, sir?
Tan square.
45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees only we should write, sir.
Tan 45 you should take. Tan 45 is 1. 1 square you should write. Here I did not.
Yes, sir.
Similar way.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, I have got to third one 1 by root 3, sir.
Answer options you check.
Sir,
Answer options. Answer lo 1 by root 3 unda.
yes, checking, sir. 460. Not that, sir.
Okay.
Sir, once explain third one, sir.
Okay. Wait.
Yes. Sound here.
Yashaswini completed second one.
No, sir, doing, sir. Completed, sir. 0
Okay.
answer.
So 2 tan 30. What is the meaning of tan 30 value? How much?
1
1
by
by root
root
3.
1 root by 3.
Yes, 1 by root 3. You have to say. 1 minus. This is also 1 by root 3.
Yes, sir.
Whole square. 1 minus. This is 1 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Take the LCM for denominator.
3.
So this is 2 by 3, right? Fraction by fraction. 2 gets cancelled. 3 by root 3 వస్తుంది. మనకు ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుంది? 3 by root 3. So multiply and divide with root 3. Rationalize the denominator. This is 3. 3 gets cancelled. Root 3. See the answer options. First option is cos 60. Cos 60
1.
is not root 3. Sin 60 is not root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Tan 60. So our answer is tan 60.
Okay, sir.
Sir, completed.
Completed, sir.
Okay, what is the next question?
Calculate sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. What is the value of sin 60 plus 30? What can you conclude?
Okay. Okay. We have to find this value first. What is the value of sin 60? Tell me.
Root 3 by 2.
Yes. What is the value of cos 30?
3 by 2, sir.
Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60
1
is
by
also
2.
1 by
1 by 2.
root 3 is nothing but 3 by 4 here.
Yes, sir.
So this is 1 by 4.
1 by 4.
So denominator is 4. Directly we can do the addition of numerators 3 plus 1. That is 4 by 4.
4 by
Equal to
That is
4.
nothing but
1.
1. Okay, this is LHS, you think? Okay. This is one part we have completed. Next is find sine of 60 plus 30. 60 plus 30, how much?
90.
Sine 90 is nothing but 1. So RHS, this is you think? Okay. Sine of 60 plus 30 is nothing but sine 90. This is 1. So this is sine 60 into cos 30 plus cos 30 into cos 60. The value of this one is 1. The
Sir,
value of this one is also 1.
sir, 1 how came, sir, here? Sin 90 degrees.
Sine 90
Sin
degree value how much? See the table.
1, sir.
From
Yes,
the
sir.
table
1.
only. Yes, from the trigonometric table is there. Na? From that table only we are saying that sine 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay. From this, what you are
Okay,
observing
sir.
now, what you are observing now,
Both
both
are
are one and
equal.
the same, right? Yes, both getting same answer. Therefore, sine of 60 plus 30 is equal to sine 60 into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60. We can write this. Both are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can write as a formula also. Sin A plus B is nothing but sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
First we have calculated this value. Second we have calculated this value. Both the values are equal. Both we are getting 1, 1. So these two are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is looking like sine of some a plus b. This is some a, this is some b. That is nothing but sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. We can use this as a formula. Sine a plus b, we can use it as a formula whenever it is required.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Copy down.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Next question.
Is it right to say cos 60 plus 30 equals to cos 60 degrees, cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees, sin 30 degrees?
Okay. Do that question now. Similar way, similar model. Try to do.
Okay, sir.
First you find the cos of 60 plus 30 value how much. Second you find cos 60 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30 value you have to find. Then both are equal, get equal or not you check. Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
sir, both are
sir,
getting
one
zero.
root and one normal number is there, sir. We can add, sir.
12.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
I got two same, sir. 0, 0.
Okay. They are equal, right?
Yes, sir, equal. Correct, sir.
Correct only.
Sir, ఈ ఫార్ములా కూడా రాయాలా కింద?
Yes, write the same formula.
Okay, sir.
There cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b you will get.
Sir, completed, sir.
Okay. What is the next question we have?
In right angle
In
triangle, PQR, right angle is at Q and PQ equals to 6 centimeters. Angle RPQ equals to 60 degrees. Determine the lengths of QR and PR.
You will try that. You will do.
sir, cheyala.
So for this question number 4, just listen. So question number 4 కి ఇలా రాసుకున్నారు కదా.
Yes, sir.
Cos A plus B equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B.
Yes.
Sin 60, sin 30.
So if you write in terms of formula,
Cos A plus B. Cos A, cos B, sin A, sin B.
finish. So now question number 5. PQR is a right angle triangle. Right angle with Q. Yes or no? And he said that angle P is 60 degree. Okay, this is the information he given. And PQ is 6 centimeter. Yes, this is only given.
Sir, angle Q 90 degrees not given, sir.
60 degrees given, sir.
Okay, right angle at Q he mentioned. Na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
Right
but
angle means
they
90
did
degrees. 90 degrees only, not mentioned, but they said determine the length of QR and PR. QR is equal to how much and PR is equal to how much? This is the question he was asking. So, listen, very simple this is. So here first, what is QR, what is PR, just you have to understand. PR is the hypotenuse, QR is the opposite side.
opposite.
Sir, no? We know one angle that is 60 degree. So first, what is the relationship between opposite and adjacent? And if you take tan theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent side, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much is the angle? 60 degrees angle. Here 60 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Opposite is nothing but QR, and adjacent is nothing but 6. What is the value of tan 60? It is nothing but root 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just you do cross multiplication. QR is nothing but 6 into root 3. 6 root 3.
Or
So this
equal
is
to
the
60.
value of QR. Yes, 6 root 3. ఇది
Sir,
మనకు వచ్చిన
మనము
ఆపోజిట్.
సార్
టెల్ మీ.
సార్ మనం ఇక్కడ tan వాల్యూ అనేది తీసుకున్నాం సార్.
యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ఇక్కడ మనకి సైన్, కాస్, టాన్, కాట్, సికెంట్, కొసికెంట్ ఇవే కదా మనకున్నవి.
Yes, sir.
దాంట్లో నుంచి మనం ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ ఇక్కడ
Yes, sir.
ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను సైన్ తీసుకున్నాను అనుకో. సైన్ తీసుకుంటే ఆపోజిట్ బై హైపోటెన్యూస్ కదా.
Yes, sir. హైపోటెనస్
Okay.
ఇవ్వలేదు సార్.
ఆపోజిట్ కావాలంటే మనకి హైపోటెన్యూస్ తెలిస్తే కనుక్కోవచ్చు.
Yes, sir.
Without knowing hypotenuse, how you will calculate opposite?
Yes, sir.
That's why tan తీసుకుంటే మనకి adjacent ఉంది కాబట్టి ఆపోజిట్ కనుక్కోవచ్చు అక్కడి నుంచి.
Yes, sir.
That's why we are taking the tan value. Right? Understood now?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Similarly, we can find. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, హైపోటెనస్ కావాలి నాకు. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తే వస్తుంది హైపోటెనస్? ఏం తీసుకోవాలి నేను? థింక్ అండ్ సే.
Opposite.
Pythagoras theorem, sir.
పైథాగరస్ థీరం తీసుకున్నా కూడా వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. బట్ యాంగిల్
Sir.
రిలేటెడ్ చెప్పండి.
సైన్ వాల్యూ తీసుకున్న సార్ ఆపోజిట్ తెలుసుకోవచ్చు ఇప్పుడు.
సైన్ వాల్యూ తీసుకున్నా వస్తుంది, కాస్ వాల్యూ తీసుకున్నా వస్తుంది, కొసిక్ తీసుకున్నా వస్తుంది, టీకెంట్ తీసుకున్నా వస్తుంది. ఎసాను. సో we will go for sine. Sine 60. Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse.
Yes, sir.
Sine 60. Opposite is how much? 6 root 3 by hypotenuse. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Just to do cross multiplication. Okay. This is 12 root 3. This is in multiplication, it goes to division. Root 3 going to cancel, you will get 12. Hypotenuse value is 12. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Copy down.
Completed, sir.
No, sir, not complete. Completed, sir.
Next question.
Sir, in
In
triangle,
angle XYZ, in triangle XYZ, right angle is at YZ equals to X.
angle
And
XYZ, angle YZX.
Okay. In triangle XYZ, right angle at Y, YZ is nothing but X and XZ is nothing but 2X. Determine the angle X as well as the angle Z. సో ఇన్ ద ప్రీవియస్ కేస్ ఈ కేసులో మనం ఏం చేసామంటే వాడు యాంగిల్ ఇచ్చాడు సైడ్స్ కనుక్కున్నాం అవునా
Yes, sir. Opposite
ఇప్పుడు
hypotenuse.
ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి సైడ్స్ ఇచ్చాడు యాంగిల్స్ కనుక్కోవాలి Okay, this is the given information. So it is a right angle triangle, right angle at so here is right angle at Y. So
Sir,
tell me.
sir, here XY equal to 2Z, not sir. ZX, XZ equal to 2X, sir.
XZ is equal to 2X. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Next, this one.
That's correct only, sir.
This is correct only.
Yes, sir. YZ equals to X.
So this is 2X we are saying, that's all.
Yes, sir.
So we have to find this one. Let it be some theta 1, this is theta 2. Okay, now tell me how to calculate this angle. You know that hypotenuse, you know that opposite. We can use sine.
Yes, sir.
Opposite by
Sine is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Sine x. Opposite is 2x. Okay. Hypotenuse is
Opposite
2x. Sorry.
2X.
X.
Sir.
This is 2x.
2X.
X is going to cancel 1 by 2. So for what value it becomes 1 by 2? Tell me. Sine table low 1 by 2 epudu ostadi sine 30 degrees. X is equal to 30 degrees. The answer is X is 30. Now use this. You can use cos. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos theta. What is the adjacent? X by 2x. For cos 60 degree. Theta is 60.
సార్ ఇక్కడ
Yes.
adjacent
What? Tell me.
ఇక్కడ adjacent ఇయ్యలేదు సార్ ఎక్స్ ఎట్లా వచ్చింది సార్
Yes, sir.
Adjacent. If you see from this
They
side,
did not give no.
if you look at from Z now, this will become adjacent, right?
Yes, sir. సార్ ఇక్కడ జెడ్ ఎందుకు తీసుకోవాలి సార్ యాంగిల్ 13 ఓకే సార్
We have to find which angle. Two angles we have to find now. What is X
X.
angle? What is Z?
సార్
Y X Z అంటే మధ్యలో ఉన్నది X. ఇది కనుక్కోవాలి. యాంగిల్ X అని అర్థం ఇది. Y ZX అంటే
Y Z X.
యాంగిల్ Z you have to find అని అర్థం. మధ్యలో ఉన్న యాంగిల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమని అర్థం. Okay, we are calculated both the values, angle X, angle Z. Copy down.
కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్
No, sir. Completed, sir.
సార్ క్లాస్ అయిపోయిందా
Yes. Next question.
Is it right to say that sin A plus B equals to sin A plus B? Justify your
Justify
answer.
your-
Okay. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. So is it correct or not? Is asking. For example, you take some angle A is 60 degree, angle B is some 30 degree. Substitute and check
any angle we should take sir
any angle you can just for checking. This is sine 90. Sine 90 is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sixty plus 30, 90.
Yes. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. 2 is the denominator. We are getting root 3
4.
plus,
1.
okay. It is
4
not
by
1. No?
2.
Root 3 plus 1. We cannot add. And is in root 1 is a number.
Sir, we can into no, sir.
So this is 1. This is not 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, sine A plus B is not equal to sine A plus sine B.
Sir, completed. Sir, this
No,
exercise
sir.
also.
Copy down.
Sir, this exercise also completed, sir.
Okay. Practice these two exercises, okay?
Completed, sir.
Okay. Okay, we will continue tomorrow. Up to here. Copy this.
Okay.
New topic. Tomorrow
Completed,
we will
sir.
discuss. Okay. Done.
Okay.